This house gives main character energy. Tucked away in the highly desirable Heritage Park neighborhood, this extremely well taken care of home is being offered for sale for the first time in several decades, and Helen's team is proud to present it. With 3 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms, this 3-level side split is surrounded by serene conservation trails and just minutes from the vibrant amenities at Stanley Park Mall. Let's go! Inside, you'll feel the love and care poured into every corner of this meticulously maintained house. The main level features luxury vinyl plank flooring, fresh neutral paint, and all new baseboards and doors. The living and dining rooms have those fancy electronic blinds for effortless convenience sunrise and sunset. The upper level offers a beautifully renovated bathroom complete with a stylish tub and shower combo, while the bedrooms are enhanced with blackout blinds and updated finishes for restful nights and lazy mornings. The basement has a separate entrance and is full of surprises. The rec room has large lookout windows and a gas fireplace. The workshop offers room for your DIY projects and a stand-up freezer for all those Costco runs. The laundry room hosts a large front-load washer and dryer complete with a pocket door. There's a massive crawl space that ensures you'll never run out of storage, so keep hitting that buy now button. Outside the fully fenced and landscaped yard is a private retreat. Sip your morning coffee under the gazebo, grill up dinner on the cement pad with a gas barbecue hookup, or take advantage of the 2 spacious storage sheds. One even has hydro. This home is thoughtfully updated with a large double-wide driveway for up to 5 cars, gorgeous exterior pot lighting enhancing the roofline, a poured concrete foundation, grounded copper wiring, copper and PVC plumbing, and blown-in attic insulation for energy efficiency. Enjoy transferable warranties on the upper floor windows as well as the laundry room and basement windows, and 25 years remaining on the roof shingles. This house hits different, so don't waste your opportunity to slay this listing, because this house isn't mine and it should be yours.